machine comes with 2 hopping feet. The first is an open toe foot for micro quilting and a ruler foot, which comes already on your machine. To change out the feet, the first thing you will want to do is take your Allen wrench and loosen the screw located on top of the foot. You will see that the foot falls off on its own. You remove the foot and simply slide in the desired foot. In this case, the open toe foot that comes already with our machine. If you need, you can press up on the presser foot for more space. You then take your Allen wrench, tighten the screw, and you're ready to go.